make it very, very quick. The trends right here is all about the absorption of knowledge of the students. Like, say for example, the United States of America, since we are having diverse type of students, the problem right there is number one is comprehension and language acquisition. It talks about teachers, like an American teacher, will deal with variety or diverse learners. So if the teacher cannot actually address also the concerns of the students, like a Chinese one, the teacher right here would really look for a solution of the issue of the problem. There is a study that some of the teachers are not adept, where they not actually use an application of the different approaches. It's just like this. Not only the United States of America, but it is also true in other continents. Like if you visit South African education, if you visit Asian education, if you visit other parts of other countries mentioned, they have the commonalities. And one of the commonalities is more about migration. The only concern right there is how will this child be accommodated, his learner be accommodated when it comes to learning. So like for instance in the USA, we talk about the teacher should be trained much in the strategies and incorporation of strategies that would really address the problem of the grades when it comes to learning acquisition. In some parts of South Korea still the same because of migration. There is a recommendation that the government of a specific state should come up with a policy in order to address this kind of issue. Address nila, meaning to say they're going to look for to teach or to train their teachers on how to deal with this kind of students and what are the strategies appropriate to be employed in that particular classroom. There is really a need for us to study more on how to cater the needs of
100 slides
culturally and linguistically diverse learners. How to get to that actually had from one state to another, that is their problem, and that is their concern. So this is, I think, the interest that the world is now seeing because of globalization and migration, how to address this kind of learners. So I think that's all for the international studies. Again, I would like to emphasize it's more about migration, multiculturalism, proposal, recommendation to study more on what specific